Now, this has to stop. Africans, you're not broke and you're not poor to buy shampoo. You know you're just being lazy that you don't, or it is not been in the culture for people to go in the salons or in the supermarkets or in the shops to buy shampoos. So today I'm going to stop you from using body wash to wash your hair. Children, mothers, stop using body soap to wash your hair because it is not good for the hair. It is good for the body. And I'm going to let you know why you should stop. I am Nasaje at the Millionaire brand. It is because standard soaps are made with a process that leaves them with high pH alkaline. And the pH is normally between 9.0 to 10.0. The pH that is left in the soaps, it is not the same pH that the hair needs. When you put a high pH soap, it forces the hair cuticles to swell and leave them completely open. So, of course, we don't need to leave our cuticles open. That is why we don't have to use the body soaps because they are not good for our hair. Afro hair already struggles to retain moisture because of its tine coils. So if you wash your hair with body soap, the pH is leaving the cuticles open. Once you leave the cuticles open, it simply means the hair won't have the ability to retain moisture. Of course, open cuticles means the inner hydration will disappear, escapes immediately like a goat, If you continuously wash your hair with soaps, with body soaps, mothers, students in school, your hair is going to be dry, it is going to be rough, it is going to be frizzy, and it's going to be brittle. So stop using body soaps, okay? Stop using laundry soaps to wash your hair and use the right shampoos to wash your hair. Growing up, my mom always told us, grab the soap, wash the hair. And we are washing the hair every day. It is high pH levels. At the same time, it is washing the hair every day. So the hair is continuously damaged. And so many families in the country like Uganda, you don't use shampoos. You use body soaps for the hair. Can you stop it? It is not good for your hair. Even, I don't know, in other parts of Africa, do your mothers buy you shampoo when you're still young to wash your hair? Or you use body soap? Sometimes maybe you use laundry soap. Sometimes we used that to wash our hair. We rarely bought shampoos for our hair. Actually, we did it. I don't remember my mom or my dad buying us shampoo to wash our hair. So please stop using body soap and buy shampoos to wash your hair. Remember, we wash our hair once a week or twice a week. The other days, we just rinse the hair. Thank you so much for coming. I am Nasa J, the Millionaire brand.